Hello everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is 21 plus eco coding, and this video is very important for those who wants to understand how to send SMS. So in this video we are going to discuss about that. So there are few steps that you need to follow before sending or before integrating the SMS functionality in your website. Okay. So before sending the SMS, you need to do some registration in portals. I'm going to tell you about the portals, and then you have to verify those details, your business details over the portals. Okay, you have to pay some amount as well. Then you can send the OTP to your customer. Okay, so I just give you the overview. The video is all about for those person who has very limited time and want to understand the complete flow in few seconds or few minutes. Okay, so this is the video for them. So before starting the video, I'm just want to tell you this is the playlist that I am creating, which is productivity tools for beginners. So here I am mentioning all the tools that comes under my personal experience, and I am creating videos one by one. So if you want to learn tools that will helpful for you in your long-term journey, please come to this playlist and just start watch the video from starting, or you can do bookmark also. So what we can do now, we need to first of all make a registration. Okay. So before sending the SMS, we have to do DLT registration. So for this, I am coming to this folder Smartping, but there are n numbers of portal available. You can use them, but for this video, I am using Smartping. Okay, and process is same for all the portals. What you can do, you can come to this website smartping.live. You can just log in and sign up. You can select next. Because you are not registered, so you can click here new DLT registration. Okay, click here, then you can come to this form new registration. Okay, now once you click on new registration, a form is open which asks some details like name of your organization, entity type, registration email ID, category of organization, service type, SMS, voice or both, current, okay, company address. Then you have to provide the company address, current address, and registered as well. Okay. You need to provide mobile numbers. Then you need to provide your personal information for authorization. Once you provide these order details, I am not filling this form because the video will be become so long. I just want to tell you the process. Once the once you fill these details, okay, then you will submit your PAN card number and upload the PAN card photo, the GST certificate, and upload a GST. Then you have to provide all the proofs that is needed. If you need other documents, you can do it. And if you hover here, you can see any other documents as approved by the operator. Image size should be less than 100 KB and PDF should be less than 2 MB. So it is about the size of the document. Once we complete it, you need to click on TDS deduction, if any. If there is any TDS deduction, then you can click here. Now, this is an important point for everyone. So note, a non-refundable one-time processing fee of 5,900 inclusive 18% GST is applicable for new registration enrollment. Once your KYC is approved, you will receive a payment link on your registration email ID and mobile number. So you have to provide this complete 5,900 rupees to register your DLT account. Okay. In case of TDS deduction, please provide your registration TAN number. TAN. We do not accept third party payment. Okay. So these are the three important notes. Once you pay the payment, once your DLT registration has completed, now come to the second thing. Now to go to the second thing, you have to go to the login uh, login system, okay, of this Smartping. But currently I am not logging, so I am telling you the steps by writing. Okay, I think I wrote wrong thing. Um, I was writing notepad. Okay, what you can do, you have registered your you completed your DLT registration. Now second thing is you need to do header registration. So once you log in, you will find a section for header. Once you click on the header from the sidebar, you you will see a form. Fill the form according the details are asking, and after your registration is your header is registered, you will get a register ID. You will get a header ID. This header ID is important. Okay, as this will send as a name to your user. Now the third step is template registration. Template registration. So in the same, go to login, go to template section, then you will see a form, and here you need to register your template. Once the template is registered, you will get your template ID. Okay. Now, after all these processes are completed, I used two third-party applications. First is Twilio, second is Message 91. Okay. So these are the two third-party applications which is helpful for sending the SMSs and voice, and there are different kind of services as well. Okay. So I am in this video I am going to talking about the Message 91. Okay, because I use this for most of my project for now, but both are the good platforms. But for this video, I am talking about the Message 91. So you need to go to the Message 91. You need to register yourself. Once you registered, you will get some amount. You will get some amount like 50 rupees from Message 91 for testing. You can say. Okay. So there are options like SMS, emails. There are multiple options. So we want to send the SMS. So we'll click on the SMS section. There, once you click the SMS section, you will see some options to create template. So you will click on the create template. A form will open, and in that form you have to fill the details. Fill the details. And what will be the details? You need to name the template. Okay. Then header ID will be asked. Header ID will be asked. You need to add the header ID from here. So whatever the header ID you will get, you need to add this header ID here. Okay. Once you add the header ID, you need to add template ID. This template ID will be exactly same from this template ID. Okay, so the template ID where you will get from here, you need to add in the message 91. Once you completed the template ID, you need to give the format of template. So when you register your template, you are giving some templates. Like the template format will be like your OTP for verification is, and suppose like this. So this is a variable, okay? So this variable will be replaced with the number, and the number would be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, or something like this. So in this way, you are giving the template. This message will be sent to your user. Okay. Now exactly same message you need to copy from here, and you need to pass here in the template format. Okay. Once you do it, you need to click on submit button. Once it is approved, you will get one more template ID from message 91. I hope this is clear. So this template ID you are getting from message 91. You need to use this template ID in your code. So template ID from message 91. Okay. And once you do this, then you need to do one more thing, which is you need to register one more thing. Okay, once this step is completed, now you need to register PE chain verification. So you have to go to, let me cut it from here. You need to go to the Smartping again. There will be on the left sidebar, you will see this option, PE chain. You need to click here and you need to add some IP address, okay, or some addresses. So where will you get those addresses? You need to connect Smartping support team. They will give you some addresses. You need to upload here. Once you upload here, you need to verify. They will verify from their end. They will verify from their end, and you need to verify. After they verify, you need to verify those. They will send you some message at this section. Okay, so after you need to check this section again after some time, and you need to verify this speech and from your end as well. So verify both from both there. Once this whole task is completed, once this whole task is completed, you are good to go with your code. Okay, in your code you need template ID, you need auth key as well, auth key of message 19. So you need to click on the in message 91 to get auth key. Just tap on the auth section after login. So, okay, you need to click on the login. Then after login, you need to click on the auth. Once you click here, you will get OTP on registered mobile number. Verify, and you will see authorization tab in sidebar. Okay. Once you click this authorization section, there is option for generate auth key. You can generate one and use here in the code. So this is a step that you need to follow. I will provide this whole description of our conversation in the description box. So you can follow this thing as well. So let me give you a brief overview again. First of all, you need to make DLT registration. Then you need to do header registration, and all this task will require like this will require 2 to 3 days. This will require 1 to 2 days, or sometimes it happens very early. It will take half day or 2 to 3 hours. This will require only 1 to 2 hours. And after this is very good to go process where template verification took some time. Once you create a template, you will spend some time for verification. Okay, so it will also take along only 1 to 2 hours, not more than that. Then your code part is there. You need to implement this authkey and template ID, and you will get the implementation code from their documentation. Actually, I cannot show the visual for now because if I go in that depth, so the video will be become so long. Hence, I created the overview how these things are working. If you face any issue, so I am giving you a bonus tip that you need to talk to their support team. The support team is very supportive and they reply to your questions or your queries in 1 to 2 hours. They will not take more time. Their response timing is very good. I personally fan for this thing. So this is all about the video. I hope if you are facing any issue or if you are confusing by this by any steps here, so you can do comment. Or if you want a visual representation of how these things are working, that if you want me to register myself completely and show you the end-to-end process, then I can also do that for you. But for that, you need to do comment in the comment section. Thank you for now. Let's meet in the next video.